Hello everyone, this is Professor J. Kim. Today I'm going to show you how to create the hover buttons in Figma. Used to be called the rollover buttons. So when you hover your mouse cursor over your text, you can change the color. So it gives the more clue so people know this is the clickable area. Hover, when you click, we change the color. When you roll out, back to normal. So this is number one. See, changes the color and the text color as well. And then animation. So we're going to make these 3 sets of buttons using Figma. So let's get started. Okay, so in Figma, let's create the new pages. New page. So first, let's create the really simple, the hover button. So I'm going to type the word button. And then my typographic choice is going to be my favorite, Bebas New. Command plus, let me a little bit bigger. Okay, so first, once you have this, the text color I'm going to keep just white, and then hold down the Shift key and A to apply the auto layout. Okay, so you see there the padding, the space all around. Hold down the Option. I'm going to make it a little bit wider and a little bit shorter. About this much. Okay. So it's about my default button. And then let me just make a copy of this. Hold down the Option key. Make sure you select the outer frame. Option. Keep pressing and the Shift. Drag. And I'm going to change the text color to my favorite, yellow. Okay. Then select both frames. Then in your properties panel on your right, you see these 4 kind of diamond shapes. Click on this drop down menu and choose create component set. Now once you see this the purple outline, now go to prototype and select the first one. You see the plus button. Keep pressing on your mouse button on that the plus sign and drag link to the next one. So the trigger is going to be while hovering. And then animation, smart animate. And that's it. And then I'm going to zoom out a little bit. And let me create a new frame right next to it. Okay, and then let me go back to my design mode. I'm gonna change my fill color to something dark gray. Okay, like this. Okay, now on the left frame you're gonna see the assets, and then this is page number 2. See, that's the new component we made, and just drag and drop. I'm going to make the other 3 more copies. So Option, drag, Option, drag, Option, drag. And let me change the name. The first one, just double click on it. It's going to be Home button. That's going to be About button. And you, going to be Gallery. And the next, Contact. And select all together. I'm going to apply the auto layout again. And so you can control the spacing. So it looks good. Let me preview it. Click on this play button. So this is default white. When I hover, it turns to yellow. See? It's pretty cool. Okay, I want to add one more. So I have a default and a hover, and then when I click, I want to have another color. So select this, select your component, extend it a little bit. Let me select my second one, hold down the Option, drag, and let me change the text color this time to maybe just red. Okay. All right. Then go to prototype. Select the second one. Let me zoom in a little bit so we can have a better view. Okay. So when I hover, we'll see the yellow, and when I click, link to the next, the red one. Trigger this time is gonna be mouse down. So while you're clicking, is out, and then a smart animate. So let's preview it. Home, hover, click, red. The problem is that this stays in red. I want to go back to white when I roll out. So same way, select your third one, link to the very default. Trigger is gonna be mouse leave. That's it. So let me preview again. Default, hover, click, out. See? Isn't it cool? So 3 different stages. Okay. So button set number 1 is done. So let me zoom out. I'm going to move this to here. So let's do number 2. I'm going to type the button, the word. This time, let me zoom in. Command plus, plus. I'm going to have a different typeface. So let me go back to design mode. And my typographic choice is going to be, this time, maybe this. Okay. This time, let me change my text color to black. White to black. Okay. Let me apply the auto layout. Shift A. Okay. Looks good. It looks a little tall. So Option and make it a little shorter. Okay. So it looks good. Okay. Now I'm gonna change my frame color to white, just like this, and then maybe round. No, I'm going to keep it just the angular, just like this button. Okay, now select whole thing, hold down the Option, and let me make a copy. Okay, so this time let me change the background color. Select your frame, and my background color from white to, I'm going to apply gradient. Click on gradient. And then the first color, I want to have almost black. Second color, maybe the blue. Dark blue. And let me change the position. Hold down the Shift key so you can have horizontal gradient. And let me change my text color to white. Okay. Now select both. On your right, create component set. Now go to prototype. From the first button, default to hover, link it while hovering. Animation, smart animate. That's it. Let me go back to design. Shift to 1 so we can view the whole thing. So you see this? I'm going to have that. 1. And let me zoom in. Command plus. 1. Let me make a copy. Option drag, and Option drag. And that one, let me just double click. It's going to be a home button. That's going to be about button. And that is gallery. And that is contact. Okay. And select all together and apply auto layout. Control the gap in between. So it looks good. Let me preview it. So this is the first one still working. See? Isn't it cool? Home, about, gallery, and contact. Okay. So button set number 2 is done. Now let's do one more. It's gonna be animated. I'm gonna type same word, button. Let me choose a different typeface. I know. Maybe this. Zoom in a little bit. Okay, button. So this time, let me change my text color to black again. Okay. And then let me apply auto layout, Shift A. Okay. And then hold down the option, drag, make it a little shorter, maybe a little wider. Okay. Okay, looks okay. And then my fill color of the frame, I'm going to apply gradient. Top white is okay. Second color, I want to apply a light yellow, like that. Okay. And then also, let me have a round corner. I'm going to apply 30, like a pill. Okay, so it looks good. And then, please choose ellipse tool. I'm going to draw tiny circle, like that. And then my text, the fill color, I'm going to apply bright red. Okay. With your selection tool, move this red dot into the box. See that? It pushes. And then on your right, you see this button is called the ignore auto layout. So it's going to have an absolute position. Click on it. Okay, now place this in center and move down. Make sure, I'm going to zoom in a little bit. Make sure this red dot touches your pill, your box. If you have 1 pixel under, it's not going to work. So it has to touch. Okay, so zoom out. Now select both, everything. On your right properties panel, you're going to see the little box, clip content. Click on it. So your red dot is gone. It is still there. It is kind of a hidden. Now let me do this. Select your frame, this whole thing. I'm going to make a copy. Option and drag to somewhere here. And then check your files. You see that? Frame number 5, which is this one. It has an ellipse and the button. I'm going to change the order so the text goes to the bottom. I'll do the same thing on this one too. The top one, frame number 4, to the bottom. Okay. On frame number 5, this is the hover images. Choose the ellipse. See? Hold down the option. Keep pressing your mouse button on one corner and the shift. Make it bigger. About this big. Okay. And then I'm going to change my text color to white. Okay, I think we're almost there. Now select both. Same procedure. Create component set. Okay. Go to prototype. Select your default image. Once you see the plus button, drag it to the next button. Your hover image, red one. Trigger is going to be while hovering. and animation smart animate. And that is it. Let me zoom out. I'm gonna have, let me go back to my asset. You see that? My buttons here. One. Let me make a copy, copy, and copy. And I'm gonna change the text. The first one is home. Home. And second one about. Number 3 was gallery. Number 4, contact. Select all 4 in design mode. Apply auto layout. I'm gonna leave there. Okay, let me preview it. Number 3, see, isn't it cool? It's animation. Okay, so that is it. I hope that you enjoyed this video and you can use it for your future project. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.